I wanted to show you a new resource that I am using for the first time in my EDUC 208 classes. This article comes from the teaching professor, and I was introduced to this summer in the PLC group that Leah and I were working with. And the idea behind this technology tool is to flip the first day of class. And often we spend a lot of time going over a syllabi or going over our schedule or expectations, when really I found myself repeating the same information from class to class. And then sometimes by the time I said it, maybe my third time, I couldn't remember what I shared with the first group. So this option allows professors to record their opening information using a really easy tool. And I promise it is easy. I was able to figure it out quickly, so that should say something. It's called Screencast-O-Matic. And if you click on the link embedded in that article, it'll take you there. You can set up a free account, which again is very fast and easy. And you can record yourself just like I'm doing right now. I chose the option of a recording with a screencast, so you could also show a PowerPoint if you'd like. There are tools at the top where you can highlight sections, you can erase, you can do all sorts of things that can help you connect with the text that you have in hand. And I think that it could be a useful tool. One caveat is that the videos can only be, I believe, 15 minutes long or shorter. But I think that's definitely plenty of time to talk about your syllabi, maybe your attendance policy, maybe other course assignments that are typically confusing for students. Once you're finished with the recording, you can view and edit. And then what I did was I chose to upload mine to my YouTube channel. And the nice thing about that is that, all you have to do is send a link, and it's easy, and, YouTube embeds right into Canvas without a problem. I think there are other ways that you can save it, but that was the option that I chose, and it was seamless. So this is a tool that I highly recommend, and it's something to consider. This year, one of our goals is to embed more technology into our courses. So what I'm trying to do is model some new tools for you. And what I hope is that as we move through the semester, each of you might be able to share a tool that you use in your classes. So look for an email from Bev with a sign up for that. We'll just have a short 5-minute time slot and a number of department meetings coming up where you can highlight a tool that you really enjoy using in the classroom, and we can all learn together and help one another along this path. So I hope that you are all enjoying your last couple weeks of the summer, and I look forward to seeing you soon.